Hi everyone. I'm a printing worker from Vietnam. In today's video, I'll show you how we produce mass sticker printing, specifically for box labeling and hang tag labeling in the garment industry. Two very common applications for export manufacturing and logistics. Package sticker printing for export carton boxes. These large stickers are used for barcodes, code 128 QR, shipping logos, PO number, warehouse info, export details. Made in Vietnam, fragile or handle with care labels. We print with industrial machines using paper decals or waterproof stickers. They can be delivered in rolls for machine labeling or individual pieces for manual use. T-shirt sticker printing for hang tags, garment industry. In fashion exports, many clients request small stickers applied to hang tags for price, barcode, internal SKU, product code, color, size. Mini brand logo stickers. We print these with high accuracy, using matte or textured paper decals that stick well to tag surfaces and last during shipping and display. Repeat button. Our production process includes Keycap 1 receiving your designs or generating them from spreadsheets. Keycap 2 printing with high-speed offset or automatic roll printers. Keycap 3 die cutting to exact size, corner rounding, roll or sheet formats. Keycap 4 dual quality control, machine and manual checks. Keycap 5 packing by size or order set, based on client request. Keycap 6 international shipping via DHL, UPS, FedEx. Bullseye. Who are our clients? Garment factories doing export production. Global fashion brands. Warehouses and logistics providers. Companies on tight production timelines. Megaphone. If you need a high-volume sticker supplier for boxes or garment hang tags, contact us today. White right pointing backhand index. And if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real-world printing content from Vietnam.